In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Go High Level. By the end, you'll feel confident getting into your account quickly and securely without any guesswork. First, open your preferred web browser. Any modern browser works well, like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type your search term and look up Go High Level. This is the fastest way to reach the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so pages load smoothly and you don't get interrupted mid-login. When the search results appear, click the official Go High Level link. Take a second to confirm you're heading to the correct website. Look for the trusted domain and a secure connection indicator in your browser, and avoid sponsored results that don't clearly match the official brand. Taking that brief moment to verify the link helps protect your account and keeps you on the right track. Once you're on the site, find the option that says Log In or Log Into App. It's usually located at the top right of the page. Click that, and you'll be taken to the sign-in screen for the app. If your organization uses a custom or white-labeled version, the page may have your company's branding, but the login flow is the same, so proceed as usual. Now enter your email address and password associated with your account, or choose the Sign In with Google option if that's how your access is set up. If you use Google, be sure you're selecting the same Google account that's linked to your high-level profile. If you're typing your credentials, double-check for typos, make sure caps lock isn't on, and consider using a reputable password manager to fill in your details accurately. Keep your credentials private, and avoid logging in on shared devices unless you fully trust the environment. If you're prompted for any additional verification, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete that step. After you submit your details, you'll be successfully logged in. You should land on your dashboard, where you can see your workspace and tools. A quick way to confirm you're in the right place is to look for your profile area or workspace name at the top of the interface. If you manage multiple workspaces, you can switch between them from there. For next time, consider bookmarking the login page so you can jump straight in without searching. That's it. You've logged in to Go High Level, and you're ready to get to work.